Hi guys, Andy here at Bonsai, back with my Christmas tree. I've done a repot and I've done all the wiring now, so I'm just going to do some branch placement and show you the final workings of it. I think actually what I'm going to do with the tree is I'm going to chop it here and use this as the main leader, this one at the back here, and then I'll get to shaping this tree, putting these branches in place. And then this one here is going to become the main leader. That one there's the main leader now. We've got this branch here at the front. If I start down the bottom, let's start here. We've got this branch here. I want to pull this down and towards us. And then back on itself, like so. As you can see, that one is looking quite nice. I haven't got anything on that at the moment, but I'll do that wiring another time. So that's the first branch. Will be down like that. And then we come to this second branch at the back. I want to bring this down. And around. I don't know whether you can see, but there's a branch there right in the middle that we don't really need. This one here. So that's looking quite nice. This one here needs to come back a bit. So twist that round there and then back on itself and down a little bit. And then that brings me to this one here. So the next branch up is here. So it's down a bit too much for me, for my liking. So I'm going to pull that up a little bit. And twist that. So then we come to this branch here. I'm going to pull that down and around the front. this one here at the back. Okay, I'm going to drop down. And that gives me even more coverage at the back here. I mean, I've got so many branches to choose from. I really don't know where to begin. I'm going to do some ramification on it, but I'm going to let it recover first, because it's had a lot of work done to it. And I'm sure it'll sprout up really well. Then we've got this one here. Just going to give that a nice bend. So these ones here, I'm just going to trim back to the next bud because they are a little bit long. Trim this one back too, and this one. Now I'm going to trim this one back to here. Right, so there we go, guys. There's my Christmas tree bonsai. Hope you like it. I do. I think it's turned out really quite nicely. It's got a bit of a bend on it and this works out well, I think. I'm going to give it a good rest now. Let it overwinter, give it a good watering and let it bounce back. And then think about the wiring in about 3 or 4 months. Take that off just in the springtime. Let it grow up next year and then do some more wiring on it next year. And more ramification. I haven't done any ramification on it yet, so I need to see what survives and go with that. But yeah, there we go. Here's my Christmas tree bonsai. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do, please. That'd be great. Thank you. Bye. Happy Christmas.